In this tutorial, we'll learn how to install VMware on your Apple M1 or M2 Macs. Go to Google and search for VMware. Click on the first link. On the VMware page, go to the Products section. Choose Fusion for Mac. Scroll down and click on the Register to get your key now link under Use for free with a personal use license. Click on Create an account to commence the process. Complete the required information by providing the necessary details for your account registration. You can use dummy values for most fields, but please provide a valid email address. Once you have completed the information, click on the Register button. Check your email inbox for the authentication code and enter the authentication code. Click on Continue to VMware Customer Connect. This will redirect you to previous page. Click on I have an account. Input your username and password. Then, click Sign in. After logging in, you will find a free personal use license. Click on License and download and copy the license key. And then click on Manually download VMware Player for Intel-based and Apple Silicon Macs. Locate the downloaded.dmg image in your Downloads directory and double-click to open it. Accept the terms and paste the license key. Proceed with the installation. Grant any required permissions when prompted in your system preferences. Following the installation, find the VMware Fusion application and launch it. You can now begin creating virtual machines. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.